friends, welcome to Wayfinder channel. Today I will share you concept of digraphs. What is digraphs? Digraph means two letter makes one sound. There are two types of digraph. First is consonant digraph and second is vowel digraph. In consonant digraph, two letter makes one sound. S and H. These two consonants make one sound sh. C, H. These two consonants makes one sound ch. Similarly, WH, w, TH, the or th. In vowel digraph, two vowels comes together and make one sound A, I. These two vowels makes one sound A. E, E. These two vowels make one sound E. Similarly, O, A, O. I, E, I. In English language, there are 26 alphabets, out of which 21 are consonants and 5 are vowels. Consonants are D, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. And vowels are A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U has two sounds, short sound and long sound. Short sound is A. Its sound is A, and. Its sound is A, E, A, elbow. Similarly, I, E, ink. O, A, orange. U, A, umbrella. And long sound is A, I, A, E, E, I, O, A, O, U, E, U. If you are clear with short sound and long sound concept, then it will be easy to write and read all spellings. For example, anyone asks you to write cell spelling, only you will concentrate on pronunciation. When it will come short sound, it will be S, E, L, L, sell. Means you are selling it. And S, A, I, L, sell means you are selling sailboat. This is long sound. Rules for reading vowel digraph. When two vowels comes together, it make long sound. That time only first letter pronounced by its name, not by its sound, and second letter remains quiet. For example, A and I. So, A will pronounce by its name, not by its sound, and I will remains quiet. Now I will tell you story of letter AI. It is very interesting. The name of story is The Brave Sailor. In this picture, you can see the sailor is selling its sailboat, and his name is Bob, and he is very brave sailor. One day he sees a dragon in the map of an island, and he says, "Dragon, dragon, I want to see that dragon. I can sail my boat across the sea. And he reached to the island. He opens his binocular and he says, is this that island where I should be? A dragon, I cannot see any dragon. After many days waiting for dragon, Bob's boat was fed in color and Nels was resting. Then he decided to fix nails and color his boat and sail back to his home. But after that, what happened? That time he saw the tail. And whose tail it was? Yes, it was dragon's tail. And he takes both hands in sky with the joy and says, "Hooray, hooray! I see the dragon's tail! Hooray, hooray!" He was shouting loudly. Now I will sing the rhyme of letter AI. You can also sing with me. Let's sing along.
I'm happy I saw the dragon, eh, eh, eh. I'm happy I saw the dragon, eh, eh, eh. I'm happy I saw the dragon, I can sail back to my country. I'm happy I saw the dragon, eh, eh, eh.
And here is action of letter AI. Raising both hands in the sky with the joy and say, "Hey, hey." Here is green words. Green words followed symphonic sound. Jit's sound is G, AI sound is A, and L sound is L. Gel, L, snell. R, A, run. G, R, A, gran. R, A, run. S, A, snails. Tricky words. Tricky words don't follow symphonic sounds. Full, full. Began, began. Like, jumped, jumped. Is was, words. Now let's read the passage. Gel, the snail is on a train. The train was full of grain. Gel, the snail, hid in the grain. It began to rain. Snails like rain. Gale jumped off the train to get wet in the rain. Here I have listed the words of letter AI. Gale. A, snail. A, mal. Nail. ran. R, a, ran. B, r, a, brain. G, r, a, grain. A, paint. In next video, I will come with digraph part 2. We will meet with new vowel combination of E. Long sound is E. For watching this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press bell icon so you will not miss out my any new video notification. Bye bye.